Hey guys, it's Jayla from UNI JAYLA 1109, and we're here with Aaliyah. And today we're going to be making over this jumbo slime that we have. And this is a regular portion of slime that we have, and she has the rest of it in bags and stuff because it had to be separated. And we're going to activate one piece at a time. It's going to be pretty cool, and it's very sticky. We're going to activate it, and then we're going to make it over, and then we're going to add it to our jumbo bucket of slime.
You're not going to activate all that right now. She's not going to activate all of that right now.
We're activating all this. And then once we activate that, we're going to make it over, and then we're going to put it in a jumbo bucket of slime. So let's get going so we don't make this entry more than 50 seconds, sorry. Whee!
Okay,
sorry,
guys,
we have that old camera still.
Old camera. So now I'm going to I can't grab the tie, but
I'm going to grab the tie and put it in there because she was the one who decided to get her hands all dirty.
Yep.
Let's put it down. Let it fall off your hands, and I will do the mixing with a spoon like we were supposed to. Today, Aaliyah just wants to be messy.
I'm just gonna mess with this while she's activating that.
I have a pencil, and I'm gonna start with the pencil. Because that's all I found.
I have a spoon.
And it's already starting to activate. Oh wow, it's activating really quickly. Look at that. It's already starting to activate, and it started to clump up and stuff. So I think we're making good progress with this.
So I'm just messing around with this because I can't touch anything.
Yeah, she can't touch anything until we get this completely activated, and then she touches this. Thank you for the spoon. We're just gonna mix it.
Super big, guys. And I might add some shaving foam.
It was like 3 pounds before we split it up, and then we split it up into 1.5 pound portions. So we have a jumbo bag full of it, and then we have this box full of it. And we're gonna do this box first, and then we'll do the jumbo bag. Make it over, and there's gonna be like a whole series of this.
I'll do that while you.
No, I already got it. Look, it's already activated. It's almost done. I just have to massage it a little bit more. You're just ready to get that slime off your hands, aren't you?
Yes.
Almost done, and then you can get it off your hands because most of this video is going to be a slime makeover. Not a lot of it's going to be us just activating it. Okay. So now let go of the slime. Here's your slime, and you need to play with it.
So we're not going to do that with this.
We're only doing that bowl for the day, and then we're going to split it into 2 and make it up into, we have to make it like chocolate chip cookies or something, you know.
Okay, guys, so it's coming on my hands slowly. I'm trying to get it off.
It doesn't matter if it's all the way off. We'll wash our hands after. Okay, so now we have it pretty much halfway activated, just in case we need to add something that's going to dry it out or something. And we're going to come up with a theme. So we don't really know a theme, so I'm going to ask Google to find me a theme. Hey, Google. Give me a slime theme.
It said, here it's and it says the green slime theme.
So I guess it's going to be 2 types of green. So in order to make this green at all, because it's purple right now, we're going to need to lighten it. And by lightening it, we got to add shaving cream.
Can I have some?
Here you go. Now you may add some. And this is just going to lighten it. And so hers is going to be a darker green, and mine's going to be a lighter green. And we're going to make this kind of like navy mixture. So you know how like in the navy they have camo? We're going to make it kind of like camo colors. And it's going to be really cool. I don't think how that's going to look well with the unicorn color we have going on. But you know, it gave us green as our slime theme, so.
Oh, there's more. There's like.
Hey, Google. Give me what color I should make this slime. So it's giving me a color.
Random color. So.
See how much it lightened up by me just adding a whole bunch of shaving cream?
I added a whole bunch. It's super foamy, but super jiggly.
I know. And, like, I never thought it would be like this. gosh. Hallelujah. And it's like, it actually doesn't stick to your hands, which is so good.
Well, it sticks to my hand because,
you know, your hand had slime on it before. And it's going to get all over your knee. That's fine. Okay.
Good thing I'm not wearing pants. So, guys, y'all, just get all over my hands. Yeah. Just, yeah. Just get all over my hand, right?
Okay, so let me try this again because Google Assistant. Give me a color.
Check out these results.
Say a random color.
Check out these results.
She's just going to be weird, so I'm going to find a color generator.
Just do that wheel thing and then just whatever it runs on. That's a color.
Well, the wheel thing I already X'd out of.
This is like a light pink.
Okay, so there's a quantity of 1 generate. So the color it gave me was, I told it to generate a color, and let's see what it gave me. Generate. Yellow! It gave us yellow. Oh my gosh. It gave us yellow, as you can see. If you can't, I'm pretty sure you can't see it. So it gave us yellow. So we're going to find honeybee. So you're going to do the black part of the honeybee, and I'll do the yellow part of the honeybee, okay?
See, I'm doing black.
Yeah, you're doing black.
Okay.
It's going to be easy for you because you don't have to light in the sun at all.
I have to go wash my hands off. Well, I'm going to...
She's going to go wipe it off with paper towels because we can't wash our hands until we wipe it off. Then she has to wash her hands. Then she'll come back and do the black. Because black's easier than me having to do yellow because I have to lighten this where it's almost white. So shaving cream is going to be used a lot. This is about to be a very fluffy slide for me. I never make fluffy slimes. Fluffy slimes are not my jizz. My jizz is literally jiggly slimes or normal thick slimes. It's never been fluffy slime. But guessing today we're making fluffy slime. Hallelujah. Because it has to be pretty much white for me to be able to dye this yellow. Go ahead and go wipe off your hands and then wash them. And then come back. I can handle the channel. It's my channel anyway. Go ahead.
Hold on. I'm trying to get all of this
off your hands. You know how it gets like stuck all over your hands?
So this is a light, not light, but
it's like, mine's like super light already, but I need to add just a little bit more shaving cream until it's completely, like almost completely white. Because like yellow is a very hard color to dye, and they're trying to give us like yellow. Like they give us like a really bright yellow to do. So yeah.
So I'll be back.
Okay, go ahead. It gave us yellow. Like, oh my gosh, it gave us yellow. I was hoping for something easy like purple or pink. But yellow? Or what if it would have done red? Then we could have had it like a strawberry. You know? But it gave us yellow. A yellow. Like, what is a yellow? So we had to come up with something, and we came up with honeybee. So I'm guessing honeybee is going to work, hopefully, for yellow. This is so fluffy. Like, so fluffy and rippy, but fluffy at the same time. Okay. It's fluffy, super fluffy. And now it's ready for me to, melt it. Because it's so stiff right now. Like, I added so much shaving cream that it got like so stiff and fluffy that it won't even poke anymore. So we're going to add this super strong melter. It looks like super strong. And we're adding quite a bit of it. Hopefully it doesn't melt it all the way, but if it does, we'll just reactivate it. So we're good. Sorry if you hear background noise. That's my mother being ridiculous. Okay, so that kind of melted it. Perfect. And this is going to be a super fluffy slime, so yeah. Oh, yeah.
Mine's warm.
you have to make black. It's easier color than yellow, especially from the purple side.
Do I use
The black paint.
Should I use both of these since
They're both
look
black. Yeah. You have like half a spoonful of each. Use the spoon. Okay, so I'm gonna start using yellow, and we're gonna see what it does. If it doesn't phase it, I'm gonna add some white. Oh yeah, there is white paint. So I'm gonna add white paint first because white paint will sort of cover up the color that it is already, and then we'll do yellow paint. Where'd my spoon go?
I know this one's mine. I gave you mine.
I'm about to paint on here with white.
I found it.
Yeah,
Because this one's yours.
Yeah, because it has all the blue and purple on it. Because I was being crazy with it. We always keep the same spoons because we feel like it gives us good luck. They're weird. They're weirdos, And for a couple of videos, we might wear the same colors because some days we just don't feel like coming in, so we'll just use these as replacement videos. If we don't feel like coming into the slime shop and making slime, we're doing a video. So yeah. Okay, I've added some white food coloring.
I'm going to use my back on my spoon because
That's brown. I hope you know that, right? It's supposed to be a brownish black anyway, so it's not completely black for the honeybee buzzer.
there, I guess.
Okay, time to add yellow. Let's see what it does. Just going to add a little bit of it first. And once I get it to like a complete, we're going to see what the yellow does to it.
Not to get brown.
I'm trying to not to get yellow all over me, but it's going to happen. We already know what's going to happen, so we might as well just let it happen to us now so it doesn't happen to us later.
So I'm just going to start.
Video. What?
Your last video?
No. I know you want to play with us, baby girl, but sometimes older girls want to play with older girls and not have to be with the baby girls, okay?
Look, this looks like chocolate.
It does. You need to add some more black to it, though.
I'm going to do all the brown.
Don't use all of it because this paint is kind of expensive, but yeah. That's the reason I need more subscribers so I get paid more money from YouTube. Da-da.
Okay, let me see. I need the black. I need to use black now.
Okay, so I'm starting to mix these up, and you see the white is like literally lightening this like 10 times. 10 loads of white equals white.
Whoops, I got black.
That's lightened by a lot, apparently. It's really not lightened at all. I was being sarcastic. A lot of you can't tell when I'm being sarcastic because I use the same exact voice as I do whenever I'm not being sarcastic.
Okay, my hands are about to be black.
Now,
And that's not
Aaliyah, help. I went a little overboard.
Shaving cream. Don't you see? Some shaving cream.
Put some in your black.
I think this is going to be blue because that's not black. That's like a darker blue.
That is black.
That's dark blue.
It's like dark blue. So add more brown to it.
Look, see?
Oh yeah, it's kind of like a blue black kind of. So we're just mixing in all this shaving foam.
Here, I'll help her because she has like so much shaving foam.
Well, I have to make it white or it's not going to turn into honeybee, and I need a honeybee.
Okay, so I'm trying.
Okay, it's almost done with this now.
I think this is more shaving foam than activator.
More shaving foam than, slime.
Here, let's take this off. Okay, I'm trying to take this off because
You gotta get back to your slime.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm almost done mixing in all the shaving foam. And once I am, I'm gonna need to wipe off the table before starting anything else. But look at how nice and fluffy this is. Isn't this gonna be a nice fluffy slime?
Yeah.
It already feels really nice and fluffy.
And see, look at this slime. This one's like a purple. My back is hurting.
Okay, so this is like starting to really rip. It's like really rippy, but it doesn't need to be a perfect slime, you know. Once we add it in there, it should be fine. And it didn't even light have that much. Like I wanted it to.
So guys, there's hers. It's like a lightish pinkish, but I think it's gonna work for her. So
yeah, but it has to be yellow. If it's not yellow, it doesn't work.
I don't know if you can make bubbles with this. I think that's all shaving.
It's all shaving cream. Like there's like little to no glue in there, and it's mostly shaving cream. So we're gonna add some yellow now. We're gonna see what happens. And if yellow does not work, I'm going to be mad. Pop, pop goes the weasel. We had to buy this camera on sale because cameras are expensive nowadays, like so expensive. So we had to buy this camera on sale, and it's like it has like a broken stand, so we had to buy a new stand for it. It was like very expensive to buy this camera. So
guys, mine is like mine's not even like black or anything.
It's kind of like a purple. It's like a dark purple.
It's like a dark purple.
Mine's not even turning yellow anymore. I want it yellow. It's almost yellow. It's very close to yellow.
So I think I'm just gonna leave mine the color it is because I think we should just do this color instead because
it's black's gonna take a while to get, and we're already at 16 minutes. Let's try to make this a 20 to 22 minute video. We're trying to keep our videos down because our first video, you know, our introduction and everything took like a long time. Our introduction video, our first video. Okay, it's like, look at this. It's like a tan. You see how tan it is? It's like almost a bubble gum. It's almost like a yellow. Okay, so we have a yellow and a black. Well, almost black. She's about to finish up with her black. And then we're gonna swirl these two together. These are not my favorite colors at all, but they should work to get put in there. I can't wait to see what color all this slime turns out to be. You know.
So I just looked on my hands, and that's not even black. That's blue, a darkish bluish. Cause look, I got it on my hands, guys. So yeah, it's not gonna work.
So let's just mix all these together.
Let's just mix these together.
And then we can move on away from this catastrophe.
This catastrophe.
Catastrophe.
Okay, so I don't know what color it's going to make.
We're not mixing it all the way. It's swirling.
It's going to be a swirl.
And putting some mess. And remember, we're getting it up to this line right here. Let me pull it down to camera view. This line right here where the ridge is. Where this thing hooks onto.
Okay, so that's as swirly as it's going to get. And boop, there it goes in. And that looks pretty good for our first slime.
For the first slime makeover. You know, makeovers are hot. So we're just taking a little bit of slime out of the bucket. We're just taking a little bit of the slime. And we're just pulling off all of these.
I'm going to use like
a lot of this.
Here, move your knee.
We're using this to kind of clean up the area and stuff. And this is a slime pit if you like don't want to use all your paper towels or like a towel if you ruin it or something. You could always just use other slime, and it like the slime likes to stick to the slime. And that's how it works. It sticks to slime. And I also like to poke this.
So I'm gonna get another piece because like.
Okay, we're good. My hand is pretty much clean now.
Mine is not.
So we're gonna sit this up now. Sit up.
This looks so
okay.
pretty. It looks like a great color.
We have to put it up. So our slime. It was her brother.
It wasn't her brother.
Wait, let me see a piece of slime. Look at this. Lucy, it was there.
Leave it alone. Leave it alone. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm clicking this in. Clicked in. It's gone. Okay. So I hope you had a fun time today. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That would make us a lot more happy. And this is the happy side of the rainbow. Goodbye. Goodbye and have a gorgeous day.